This is a free $30 no deposit bonus free capital right here on the screen, and I will be showing you how you can get this free $30 no deposit bonus. It requires no deposit. You don't have to put a dime of your money in order for you to start trading, and you can be able to withdraw your profit from this free $30 no deposit bonus without you having to use your money. So right here in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get the free $30 no deposit bonus and how you can start trading with it, and also how you can withdraw your profit. So there are some certain terms and conditions you have to obey after you've claimed this free $30 no deposit bonus that you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit, and that is what I will be explaining in this video, and also how you can get it and how to withdraw your profit. Okay, like I said earlier. So the first step you have to take in order for you to be able to get this free $30 no deposit bonus is for you to go to the description of this video and also the comment section. So once you've gotten there, just click on the link that you find there. The link will be pinned there. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to my Telegram channel. Alright, so let me show you my Telegram channel. So as you can see, this is our Telegram channel, and just yesterday I dropped a free 5k profit account that you can get for free, and a lot of people have gotten it already and they've started trading with it. Now I want you to know that every single thing that we've been dropping on this Telegram channel requires no deposit at all. You don't have to deposit, and a lot of people have been getting it, and it does not end there. A lot of people have been withdrawing money, and as you can see, this is another 10k profit account. This is not a competition account, and from this free 5k bonus 5k profit account I dropped yesterday, you can withdraw at any time. This is it right here on the screen. All right, you can withdraw at any time. But this $30 no deposit bonus I will be showing you how to get today, nobody has made a video about it yet. It has not been in existence. It just came online yesterday and I've gotten hold of it. So I just want to make a video so that you guys can be the first person to get it and the first person to withdraw. You know, the earlier the faster to withdraw. So this is our Telegram channel. So the first thing you want to do is for you to click on the subscription button. So hit the subscription button, and once you've hit the subscription button, you'll see a link like this, a link that will be attached together with the $30 no deposit bonus, just like this on the screen. Hold on, just like this on the screen. So you'll see something like this that will be attached together with the free $30 thumbnails. Okay, so once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to an interface like this. You'll be taken to the next interface where you'll be getting the free $30 no deposit bonus. So before we start talking about how you can get this free $30 no deposit bonus, if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, I would like you to take a moment right now and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because if you don't, I'm afraid this might be the first and the last time you are probably gonna see us. All right, so I want you to remember the reason why you should subscribe to our YouTube channel is because everything we drop are totally free. We give people free money for them to start trading without getting anything in return other than them to obey some certain terms and conditions in order for them to withdraw their profit. We never allow them to make deposits before they can be able to withdraw. So okay, this is it. So the name of this broker is Wisdom Trade. Many of you have not heard about it, neither have I. I've never heard about it. This is my second time of hearing about it, and I've never made a video about it. So let's read some things about this Wisdom Trade no deposit bonus. Wisdom Trade is offering a welcome bonus of $30 to new users, which means this $30 no deposit bonus is available for all countries. All right, for all countries, and who require no funding to engage in live trading account. This is a live trading account that requires no funding at all. You don't have to deposit. All you have to do is to register and do some other things right here in this video. Ask your account manager for the withdrawal terms and conditions. So I'll be showing you how you can get hold of the withdrawal terms and conditions in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. So now, once you've clicked on the link in the Telegram channel, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. So you'll be taken to somewhere like this. As you can see, it is just loading. So just hold on a bit. So you'll be taken to an interface like this. So once you've gotten to an interface like this, the next thing for you to do is for you to click on register. And the reason why you're clicking on register is because this is your first time of coming to this particular broker. All right, so the first thing you have to do is to enter your full name, enter your name here, enter your name here, and also once you're done, enter your mobile phone number. Make sure that everything you are entering is definitely correct and also in a match together with your NIN, because you'll be verifying your account, right? But I don't think it is necessary for you to verify your account before you can be able to get this free $30 no deposit bonus. So now the next thing after you are done doing that is for you to enter your email account right here on the screen, and also enter a password. Enter your password here. Make sure you are entering a very good and secure password because of security purpose, right? So the next thing is for you to enter your referral code. Your referral code would automatically be there because you are using my link to register, and this will make your free $30 no deposit bonus to become more effective. All right, so now that you are done, just accept, click on accept and click on register now. So let me just fill in the right details in the right form, so that once I'm done, I will continue showing you the next thing for you to do. Make sure you watch this video till the very end, because if you don't, you might forfeit your chance of getting this bonus without watching this video. And once you forfeit your chance of getting this bonus, you won't be able to get it again. All right, so hold on. So once you're done with the second step, this is where you'll be taken to. As you can see, a code has been sent to your email address. The next thing for you to do is for you to go to your email address and get the code and verify your account. All right, so let's head on to our email address. Let's head on to our email address. So this is it right here on the screen. This is the notification right here on the screen. So let's tap to view. As you can see, this is it. Just click on verify email address now. So once you've clicked on it, you'll be taken to somewhere like this. Just hold on and pay attention. Make sure you watch this video. As you can see, we've been able to log in successfully. So the next thing for us to do is for us to log in with our password. So in order to do that, let's head on back to the website. So just refresh the account, and you'll be taken to somewhere like this. Just click on back and click on login. So enter your registered email and your registered password. Enter your registered email and your registered password, and once you're done, click on remember me, so that next time you want to log in, it will be more easier for you to log in. All right, so once you're done, click on login. So now let me just do mine and I'll get back to you shortly. So as you can see right here on the screen, I'm done entering my email and my password. The next thing for us to do is to click on login. So let's hold on. These websites, they are very fast and reliable. As you can see, this is it right here on the screen, and right now we still have a $0 in our wallet. So now I'll be showing you how you can get the free $30 no deposit bonus right here on the screen. So follow me as I guide you through the step-by-step processes. And don't forget, we are opening a real account, not a demo account. So now to get this free $30 no deposit bonus, the first thing you have to do is to make sure that your account is being verified. So verify your KYC. Now to verify your KYC is quite simple, but it can also be twisted. All right, so now the first thing you have to do is to click on KYC information. So once you've clicked on KYC information, these are the things that you'll be verifying. You'll be verifying your profile, you'll be verifying your finance and your identity information. So in order to comply with them, just click on OK, and it will take you to the next step. So the first thing is your personal profile, your finance, your identity information, and create an account. Okay, so select your country, your province, your state, your city, your address, your birthday, and your name and your surname. So make sure they are equivalent and the same thing with the one on your NIN card or your driver license, because you'll be using your driver license for verification. So let me just do mine and I will get back to you shortly. So in case you are also facing this kind of challenge, I would advise you to use a VPN. I was logged out from my account, and the next thing for you to do now is for you to click on forget password and enter your email right here. Enter your email and click on continue. Click on continue. All right, And if they are not allowing your email, the next thing for you to do is for you to create another account since you haven't verified yet. So you can just go through the same process just like we did the first time and just enter another details. Okay, so let me just do that again. So once you are logged in, the next thing for you to do is for you to verify your KYC. And after verifying your KYC, as you can see, these are the 3 steps you have to go through after verifying your KYC. Now, as you can see, the road first deposit. So this is where they are wrong. There is one thing you have to do in order for you to get a free $30 no deposit bonus. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to open a live account. So open a live account by clicking on selecting the account type. Right, select the account type, choose wisdom and choose the highest leverage. And once you're done, click on OK. Right, as you can see, the account has been created. This is the account right here. This is the account right here. So this is their ID. This is their ID. Okay, don't forget to verify your KYC. This is the account ID for the real account you've just created. You'll be needing it, so keep it in mind. All right. So now that you've created the account, the next thing for you to do is for you to create a ticket. Create a ticket, click on ticket, click on new ticket and issue a ticket with them. Right, I just created a live account. This is my real account trading ID. Kindly credit me with a free $30 welcome bonus. Welcome bonus. So once you've issued it, just click on OK. And as you can see, this is it right here. The ticket has been added, so they will receive the message. And once you go back to your own, right here on this screen, you'll be getting a free $30 no deposit bonus. Now, once you've gotten it, let me show you how to log in the free $30 on your MT5 Trader app. It is different from the way some people know. Alright, it is different from the way some people know. So I'll be guiding you through how you can do it. Alright, so pay attention and watch this video to the very end. And also, in order for you to know their terms and conditions, you can also issue another ticket asking them about the terms and conditions. But among all, make sure you verify your KYC before doing all of this, or else you'll be able to get the free $30 no deposit bonus and you won't be able to see the terms and conditions. So now, to log in your $30 no deposit bonus account on your MT5, you have to know that your login credentials would have been sent to your email account. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your email account, go there. So this is my email right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go to my email account to go and check my login credentials. As you can see, this is it. A live account has been created, and these are my login password and login credentials. The reason I'm blocking it from you guys is because of security purpose. All right, so just copy your accounts, and now once you are done copying your account, just come to your Meta5 Trader. Don't forget that the app you choose is a Meta5 Trader app. So now go back to the website or the email to check for the name of their server. Copy the name of their server, copy it, and go back to this place, search for it, and this is the name of their server. You would have seen their logo right here. You would have seen their logo. So enter the account you copied, the account ID you copied from their email, and go back to enter the trading password, not the read password, but the trading password. There are 2 passwords that you'll be seeing in your email account. Just enter the trading one. Don't go and enter the wrong one. All right, so enter the trading one So let me just copy it. So now that I've copied it, you just go back to your password space, enter it, and once you enter it, now when you enter it right now, you'll be seeing a $0. But once you are done verifying your account, you'll be seeing a free $30 no deposit bonus on the screen. So enter it, save. As you can see, you just see the $30 right here on the screen, and you can now come to this place and start trading. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you get this no deposit bonus and enjoy your trading. And if there is something you want to know about again, just let me know in the comment section.